What's going on YouTube? Merdicus back here, bringing you guys a video on the second generation Prius. This is going to be my video on tips and tricks, maybe some cool features, just stuff maybe you didn't know. So let's get this video started. I'm out here in the driver's seat of this Prius. I'm going to turn it on one time, and there's the startup for it. So you have these options right here. Display, you can turn the screen off, contrast, brightness. I'll press OK, get rid of it. Info, you can change the language, screen setting, telephone, calendar. You can actually change the color to green to orange. And then you have the, I don't know what this really does. I don't really use it. But here's your climate control. Pretty much everything you want is in here, all just like a tap of the button. Here's the audio setting. There's actually an aux cord in the car. You press it by pressing the disc or aux. Excuse a little mess. But as you can see right there where my finger is, that's where the aux goes in. This is a 2008 Prius. It's a very nice feature. Right here is your shifter. Really cool. Let me turn on the ignition. I'll turn this off. But as you can see right there, that is, you can see some information on that. There's this odometer trip button you can press. It will change the thing right there. Let me do it again. It shows you all the different options right there. Here is the hidden compartment. 2 storages right here. Nice little stuff right here. And 2 cup holders right there. Pretty nice features. Alright guys, so down here there's actually a hidden compartment. Some people might be aware of this, some people might not. It's actually pretty hidden. You can hide stuff in it. And you really don't even see it. I didn't even know until like I was just looking around in the car and I found it. The cup holders in the back. This goes up and down. Overall, pretty cool stuff. I think that's about it on the front end. Alright guys, up here we have sunglasses, lights, pretty standard stuff. Let me show you the trunk. Alright guys, on this one you get a privacy shade. I don't know what else it's on. It's a little messy back here. Let me show you guys these hidden compartments on the side. Here's one right there. And there's also one on the opposite side. As you can see right here. This also comes out. I think this is how you get back to the tail lights. And if you lift the rug, as you can see, there's these little lock indicators. I have them locked right now, but that's where the spare tire is. And I'm gonna put this back. And guys, if you want to put the seats down, you press this little button. They go forward. I'm gonna keep them back in their spot. Yeah guys. Alright guys, that's going to be my video on cool features. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content. Catch you guys soon. Marcus is out. Peace.